I'm going to pick a module each week and go through my top 3 favorite features from each. So the first is the module drawings. A bit of a new one for us, but it is going off. And my first favorite feature inside of the drawings module is overlays. So we can see in here, one of the floor plans is our Melbourne office. Lovely floor plan here. And what I'm going to do is when we get a change from, say, the architect or the engineer, all we need to do is go up in here and upload a new set of drawings. You can upload multiple sets. It can be hundreds of pages long. We'll pull out automatically for you using AI the drawing name, the drawing number, and the revision that it's on. I'm going to confirm that. And what the AI is going to do is compare them. We can see that there's a version update in each of these 3 drawings. I'll go and review them all now. And we get the overlay. This is the change between the drawings. So we can see that we had a couple of quiet rooms added there. When I go side by side, I can also see those changes just like that. And the AI will even give you a change summary down here. Now, it's not just floor plans. This works on anything. So you can upload the elevations as well. We can see the side profile of quiet room number 2, and the change summary is going to talk about that being added down here. We'll update that. And then we've got a final elevation in here. So we can see, again, the quiet rooms that have been added, the curved wall in the meeting room, and the curved wall from a different angle. All of this has been added. The change summary is in there. Now, if I go into the floor plan, you can see that we're on revision E as expected, and this has been updated. We can see the change summary, we can see who's viewed this, and of course, we can see the version history as well. My second favorite feature is when we have a look inside of a drawing here, the ability to add a pin. So I'm going to talk about the fact that I don't have information about something in the boardroom. I'm going to drop a pin and raise an RFI. Maybe it's about ceiling heights, and then I would go through and type more stuff in here if I had the time. Choose who the respondent is, due date, all of this good stuff like schedule and cost impact. We can upload photos as we need to. Of course, we can do this from our phone. I'm going to click send RFI, and that is then attached to this pin in here. We can see that inside of the RFI's module around ceiling heights, and we have a link to the drawing. So we can go back in here and get a link directly back to the drawing and see that pin. The RFIs will also live on here and be attached to those pins. So that is my second favorite feature of drawings, the ability to add pins to them. My third favorite feature, notifications. So you can see in here, we are going to get notifications or set up notifications for subcontractors, consultants, whoever it might be, when drawings change. So let's go back to that same example we used at the start of this series around drawings changing. We can then, as we go to review the changes, we can select who's going to get notified. So I can either change notifications per drawing, or we can do it for the full set. And I can set either internal users, companies, workers, or by groups that we set up. So we might say that we just want to notify Apex Mechanical of these changes because they're currently on the job. Okay, so now we should, when we click in and go to the notification section, we can see the notifications and who they were sent to. So that has gone out to Matt Apex, which is the person from Apex Mechanical Services that received the email. So that is how we set up drawings notifications. We do have some special things in the pipeline, and I'll give you a hint. It is connecting up notifications with your schedule and doing Smart Notify. So you're going to see that soon.